Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ogre Fabworks here. Got another job here, so looking at putting a plate in the bottom of this wood stove, just a typical wood stove for heating your house. Customer said, metal used to be about as thick as this, which is looking like about 3/16 or so. And you've gotten down to about paper thin. Looks like somebody put a plate up in here previously, but he wanted to run the full length, so we'll go ahead, get her cleaned up and put a plate in there. Got the service truck and a piece of scrap I pulled out. Already did some measurements and should be able to take a piece out of this. About 1/8 inch material. We'll cut her up, clean that up, and weld her in. So stick around, here we go. Alright, let's look at the fit up here. So that's the plate. I got enough of a gap in there. Should be able to fill some weld all the way around. Haven't quite decided if I'm going to weld it out or just stitch it. I might just weld it out. We'll see how it goes. I think I've decided I'm going to stick weld it just simply because I've got dual shield in the suitcase and it's pretty thin stuff, and it's just quicker for this job to just stick weld it with some 6010. I was debating running 7018 just because you have to whip 6010 a lot more, I found, but just run 6010 and be done with it. No big deal. See here, we're coming along. I don't know how well you can see it. There's some decent welds in there. Let's keep her going. I'm having to whip it quite a lot over here. I'm right on the edge, so I'm burning through. You can see that big old keyhole. It's way overkill. I'm an overkill kind of guy. All right, finished up the job. You can see I fully welded it all out. The welds are pretty good for how dirty this is. Again, 60-10, whipping the hell out of it. And customer's happy, and on to the next one. So I already rolled up all the lead reels and turned it all off and collected all the rods. So subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.